In Mumbai, who I've got here at the moment on the red carpet is Divyanka and Vivek. Hello, guys.
Hi, how
Hello,
are you?
Raj.
I'm doing well. Divyanka, you look absolutely mesmerizing from what I saw you earlier in. You're looking really good.
Thank you so much. I'm walking down the aisle with my aisle, red carpet with my hubby, and actually we are nominated together today. So I'm really excited for the show.
And of course, you've been part of the Star Plus and Star Parivar family for some time now. You know, you've been quite loyal to the family, haven't you?
It's been my fourth year now. Yeah, it's the fourth year. क्या बोल रही हूँ? Fourth year is ongoing now, and I got lots of awards last year, and even this year I am nominated. But then the best thing is that we are nominated, and I'm really happy about it.
It is the most watched show on UK Asian television. How does that make you feel?
Yeah, you keep giving me that news. Generally, nobody tells me that we are the most watched show. Though I am nominated for Best Digital Sadasya Award, I hope I win it if I'm that famous there.
And Vivek, for yourself, I mean, you know, you're here with the Star Parivar family. Of course, Nachbali is doing well. You know, how does that make you feel?
Excellent. The fact that we've been nominated, I'm actually not actively involved with Ye Hai Mohabbatein as we speak right now because of Nach Baliye. But it's doing really well. We are amongst the top 5, top 6 contestants now. And the fact that we've been nominated as the couple, as the real couple amongst the fiction category, is a big thing in itself. So, but I'd just like to say that it doesn't matter whether we win it or not. If we do win it, then it's going to go to the millions of fans that are there, who are our well-wishers, who in fact, not many people know this, maybe not. Yes, our story was set up, our story was written by our fans, and I'm grateful to them, and I always will be indebted to them. And so this award, if it happens so, then it'll be for them. If it doesn't happen, we'll get it next year.
And is this the first time together, Star Parivar, as a couple, as a married couple?
That's right.
Yeah, are you getting all the shutterbugs on you? All the cameras on you? How does it make you feel? Nervous inside? Excited?
You know what? It's mixed feeling because one thing is that you're normally not used to. You normally get nominated with your on-screen partner. So for us, it's a real big deal. For us, it's a little nerve-wracking also because if we happen to be on stage together, I mean, besides Nach Baliye, this is going to be the first stint on TV with the two of us together. So it's going to be a little, I'm feeling a little jittery also, but very exciting, obviously.
Guys, thank you so much. All the best. And thank you for giving us so much entertainment in the UK, being the #1 show. And Nach Baliye, which was #1 last weekend as well. Of course, both of you part of that, so thank you.
Yeah, we need all the support, all the votes. I know that international votes probably doesn't count,
Yeah,
but
don't count,
you know,
but
it
still.
doesn't matter. It's your wishes, it's your blessings that comes through on the digital platform. That's what matters.